Hello everyone, welcome back to Spanaria YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video, I would like to share you a tutorial on how to overcome waiting Wi-Fi when install apps on the Google Play Store on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who are confused, because when you want to download an apps on Google Play Store, you cannot do it and suddenly there's a message waiting for a Wi-Fi. Don't need to be worried guys, because you can change the settings so you can download using any network guys. And how to do that is very easy, so yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial guys. Alright, the first thing first, now you can go to Google Play Store, and for example, I will install this one and there will be waiting for Wi-Fi. And to solve that, now you can go to account menu on the Google Play Store, and then now you can click settings. And then after that guys, now you can click network preferences and click app download preference, and you can change it into over any network, so that you guys, if you want to install any apps, you will not waiting for Wi-Fi anymore. Alright guys, so yeah, thank you so much for watching.